as well as the skies and bring joy around the world. It's a festival when the whole of India transcends into myriad lamps. Diwali, the festival of lights, has all the charm, grandeur, and splendor that can even illuminate our hearts and minds while also promoting the much needed peace and society in the society. It unifies every religion, every heart, and every home.
Listen children, this Diwali we are going to do something different. We are going to visit the neighborhood orphanage. I want you to take out your clothes, books, toys and shoes that you do not need anymore. We will be donating them.
Dear Father, I have found a box of things that will be useful for the children in the orphanage.
I have also found a basket full of diyas in plastic containers. Melon, we could reuse the diyas this year and recycle these plastic containers to make some planters.
Oh, what a good idea, Pihu. This year we could use planters as gift. How mother is always making us buy gifts for her cousin. This year we could do handmade gifts.
These are lovely ideas, children. The Diwali is also such a lovely time when we get to meet the whole family, the real joy of celebration with the festivals, is it not?
This Diwali, let's be thoughtful while bursting crackers, declutter our homes, donate to the needy, and prepare thoughtful gifts while also valuing our families and friends. Thank you.
For as long as we can remember, we have marked our world with ancient rituals, seasonal celebrations, and cherished festivals. Sadly, the current modern touch has influenced an infusion of plastic, pollution, and waste on our cultural celebrations. Let's get together this Diwali and make small changes to help save the environment.
To avoid the damage of fibers, without giving the magic, we can use handheld sparkles and adindiyas.
Air pollution is also quite harmful to various animals and birds.
My grandparents have to be taken to the doctor every year after Diwali. My grandfather has to get his ears checked while my grandmother faces a lot of trouble in breathing. I wish all the children were more thoughtful about their grandparents.
Let's not forget animals. Animals have sensitive ears and loud noises can hurt them.
The festival of Diwali has a deep spiritual meaning. It essentially means the awareness of inner light. In the way, it is a celebration of awakening and awareness of inner light, which has the power to outshine darkness and clear all the obstacles in life.
The story of Ramayana about how Lord Rama defeated demon Ravan, which signifies the victory of good over evil, is such a significant representation of the power of goodness. May we all find the light within us this Diwali and spread more and more joy.
You are right, Kushal. The festival teaches us the importance of the brotherhood and the joy of togetherness. My favorite thing about Diwali is how everyone is sharing and caring more.
It is important that children learn and know about the festivals celebrated by the various communities.
On festivals such as Diwali, everyone comes together regardless of the caste and religions and participates in the festivities.
The festival season is already here. And in India, the September-November festive season has a major impact on the economy because it drives up consumption.
The economic benefits of festivals are easiest to see and often cited. Festivals attract visitors, which stimulates the growth of tourism and other businesses in a town or a region.
During the last 2 years, the festival spirit was as not high as this year, but this time things have been looking up. Have you seen the offers already flooding at our favorite stores?
The biggest Indian festival is already here. And in India,
Yes, but let's not forget to buy from local sellers too. They provide for their family through the small sales they make.
yes, you are right, sure. I will suggest my mother to use less Chinese lights and more earthen diyas made by our local potters.
As we have seen here how these families are mending their ways, we hope you can also have a clean, green, thoughtful and love-filled Diwali. Thank you.
Wow, that was informative.
Lights all around flickering,